Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, daytime running lights, front suspension classification, solid live axle, rear step bumper, fog lights, braking assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.